Okay, so we found a baby woodpecker, and it's not flying.
Zach.
So we're probably just gonna hold it for a little bit. Did you hear that? That was, it squeaks every once in a while.
Like an alarm clock.
So quieter. Yeah, it's a woodpecker though. And here, Mitch, put bird on your shoulder. Watch. Yeah, but we found this woodpecker in our backyard under a tree, and we think we saw the mama bird go into the tree, and we just looked again, there wasn't any more, and we didn't see a nest either.
Yeah, it is a nest.
And Mitch calls the bird Turd because he turded on his shorts.
Right here.
So that bird is Turd. Her or his name, whatever, is Turd.
Oh, I got something to show you.
Zach, don't use that.
Look in the bucket.
Dude.
And so it's weird because today we're finding a bunch of stuff.
Found this bird and we
found a little lizard
right here.
here.
You can't get it
Should
out.
I pick him up?
Just leave the bird
There. Trying to get him to eat bread, but he's not really eating it.
Squirmy.
So what is it again? A longtail?
A whiptail.
Oh, a whiptail lizard. Found here in Mesa, Arizona.
Yeah.
Guys, thanks for watching.
And I
Okay,
hope you have
bye.
enjoyed our video. Bye-bye.